Hello, hi friends, good morning. This is Chetan Sayankar. I'm a chemical consultant for various biofuel plants and oil and gas. I do have experience of more than 14 years working with biofuel plants. So regarding hemp, I am going to talk for a minute to give you the heads up how we can explore the possibilities of encouraging the one of the product which is called as biodiesel. So we tried very best option whichever available in the market, and we found out the best result from the hemp oil which we got in our first patent what we have done, and we get very good result for getting a zero carbon emission out of it. There are a lot of feedstock which is going to be used in the biofuel plants, biodiesel plants, and we found out the hemp as the best product. So while comparing the result with the various other feedstock and the biofuel, biodiesel from the hemp oil, the results are very good. The lubricity and the viscosities and other parameters which we are getting is really good. We develop a technology which is an enzyme based biodiesel technology, which is kind of a unique technology, and as the hemp do have a very good chemical composition which will give us a results very well than the other independent feedstocks. So as a result, the hemp can gives us a very best results in while comparing to the other feedstocks. Hemp already do have other various very good qualities which can be explored as an byproduct for the which can be a byproduct from the other chain components. But the specialty of the hemp, what we found out, as this is untouched market for the biofuel industry, we found out hemp as a superior product which really gives an outstanding result in overall sense. If you see the total market possibility to get an overview for the hemp is really very nice, and the results, if we can go up to the driving of the very high end cars by using this oil, and we can have something remarkable result which we can achieve with this oil, as most of the industries never tried this as a product. That's why we wanted to explore this as our prime product for the development of the biodiesel market, as well as reducing the carbon emission. And as you know that the carbon emission itself is getting a big issue from while considering the environmental concerns. So thank you very much for listening me, and definitely the hemp products are going to be a big breakthrough for for the environment and the industrial markets. So we are hoping that hemp will grow, and hemp market will grow to a certain extent, which will definitely give us a good handshake to control the environmental issues. Thank you very much, and wish you happy new year for all of you. Thank you.